Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Chinrugas from Spiritual Psychic Healer. This reading is a general reading na hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. So, this is something, a weekly pasilip for the month of November 13 hanggang November 19 for the sign of Aries. So guys, so let's see, what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit? So let's watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries signs ang ating mga ganap? Tutuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Let's see. So there's something, the Fool card. There's something in your beginning. Maaring may mga bagay na magsisimula na. O maaring sinusubukan ang iyong pananampalataya at tiwala. Bagay na maaring magbigay ng liwanag sa iyo. Now there's something, a Three of Swords. Now makaka-recover ka na from the pain. Now for the struggle, for security. So may mga tao na iingit behind your back. Na maaaring makaka-recover ka na from that person, from that people. And there's a Page of Wands. My good news, may magandang balita. May magandang impormasyon na ipababatid sa iyo. Maganda ka. Now, and there's a King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person. Maaaring yung person is very devoted. Yung, then of course, there's an ancestor guides na gumagabay sa iyo. Now, let's see, additional messages. And of course, there's something with a Devil card. Now, there's something, a black magic involved, or there's a negative. Let's see. Or there's a toxic. And there's a Four of Wands by celebration coming in. Na may mga celebration daw na maaaring mangyari sa inyo. No, marami kang daluhang event. No? Then, of course, birthday. Binyag. There's the family gathering, of course. What is the Fool card? The Fool card represents something, the Hermit card. The answer you need is here. So, bibigyan liwanag. Now, with the Hermit card, there's something spiritual activation or spiritual awakening. Bagay na mamumulat ka sa mga bagay na nangyari. Parang sinusubukan ka. Or parang tinitingnan ng iyong katatagan dito. What is the Three of Swords? The Three of Swords represent, guys, with the Seven of Cups. Na makaka-recover ka dito, na malalaman mo kung sino talaga tong mga taong panggulo o gumugulo sa'yo. Malalaman mo yan. Matutumbok mo na yan. And there's a Six of Swords. Unti-unti ka rin daw na makakalis sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. May magandang balita na maaring dumating sa'yo. Now, ito yung magdadala sa'yo ng changes. And of course, may pumuprotekta sa'yo ha. There's a devoted. And so for the person, there's an ancestor guides na gumagabay sa'yo. What is the Devil card? Represent with the Hangman. Lutang ka. No, nakakaranas ka ng pagkalutang dito. Balisa, ginagawang ka there sa black magic involved. Now, what is the Four of Wands? Represent with the Ten of Pentacles. So, uuwi ka. Na minasusense ako dito na uuwi ka galing international o maaaring magkakaroon ng gathering with your family, mag-ingat ka. Kasi parang ang sumasalbay sa'yo dito kamag-anak mo. Now, what is the outcome? For the outcome, there's a Page of Swords. Now, there's something curiosity, bagay na dapat mong matuklasan, bagay na dapat mong malaman. So, there's a spying, looking, watching at you. Nagsusubaybay tong tao na to. Kilala mo, no? At maaring makilala mo na nga siya kung sino siya. Kung sino tong mga tao na to, parang makikilala mo na kung ano man talaga ang pagkatao nito or maaring ang pagkakakilanlan kung sino tong sumasalbay sa iyo. Now, there's a Two of Cups na partnership. Maaring connected sa inyo dalawa ng asawa mo or maaring kaibigan mo to o maaring malapit lang sa iyo to. No, ginugulo niya kayo, inggitera to ha. No, ginugulo niya kayo. There's a Chariot card. Now, this is something that changes and improvement. Na unti-unti rin daw gaganda ng pakiramdam mo, huwag ka mag-alala. Gagaang na rin ang sitwasyon mo. And there's a Magician. Oh, sabi ka na nga ba, may gabay ka eh. No, may gumagabay sa'yo dito. No, mahal mo sa buhay na yumao. No, there's something Magician talaga na maaring meron ditong gumagabay at pumuprotekta sa'yo. There's a Knight of Swords. Sabi ko, nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, sleepless night. Ginagawan ka talaga. No, para hindi ka makatulog. No, para hindi ka mapakali. No, nakakaramdam ka ng balisa. No, there's something, guys, with the Ace of Swords. No, there's a breakthrough. Makikilala mo naman siya. Not the end of the time. Makikilala mo tong tao na to. Kailangan lang putulin, no, ang kaugnayan mo sa tao na to. Let's see. Gusto ko pa rin madagdagan ng additional messages to. No? Sino ba talaga tinutukoy sa barahan na to na gumagawa sa'yo? Oh, third party, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage. Ibig sabihin, malapit lang talaga sa'yo. No, kamag-anak, kaibigan, o maaaring malapit lang sa'yo talaga. Kamag-anak ba to? And there's a Queen of Wands. Babae. Na babae itong gumagawa sa ito, nananalbay sa'yo, ha? Maiksi ang buhok. And there's an Emperor. No, ibig sabihin ito, maaaring kakilala mo. No, kung hindi mo to katrabaho, maaaring nakamag-anak mo, no, with the father's side. So, Madam, let's see what is the Moontology. Madam, Sir, alamin natin, no? What is the Moontology? What is the messages pasayo ng ating gabay? Mabilis ang reading ng to. Sa susunod, hahabaan na natin to, guys, no? Then, of course, magkakaroon tayo ng mga another pang angel spirit messages. What is the Moontology? 1, 2, okay. Ibig sabihin dito, there's something meditate and contemplate. So, kailangan mo mag-meditate na magdasal, magmuni-muni, may gabay na tumutulong sa'yo dito. Step out of your comfort zone. Kailangan mo talaga makawala sa comfort zone mo, sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. A new romantic cycle begin. Magsisimula na rin ang panibagong cycle pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig mo, na maging balance ka spiritual and practicality. Alam mo guys, na if I see something involved about sa relationship, no? About sa parang hindi tanggap. Something like, naiinggit sa inyong relasyon. And there's an adjust are required. Kailangan mo talaga mag-adjust. No? Dumistansya ka. Kailangan nyo magbukod. No? Umalis dyan sa sitwasyon na yan. Very toxic talaga yung nasa paligid mo. So guys, this is a weekly pasilip, no? For the month of November 13 hanggang November 19 for the sign of Aries. So, Aries, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading na hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share ko siya for more videos update. Maraming salamat po and see you the next video. Bye-bye and babush.